I'm not going to play, but I just want to be in there. And these questions are very much like the ones you'll see Monday. What's the real term for the number of deaths for those with the disease? Those. Ooh, pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see. I might be in. Yeah, the next button was hidden by my picture. Tommy. I'm trying to find some bowling exercises you can do without a bowling alley, by the way.
Yeah.
Dang.
The way a virus spreads. Gotta know your viruses. What I said yesterday. All right, good. Everybody got that. Thought that might have been more difficult. Good. Impressive. Yeah, they've changed Kahoot. It's got a different look now. It was the last time we tried. We did a Kahoot. This graphic shows.
Oh man, I read it wrong.
Yeah. So that was showing the
All it says is that I'm on the podium. It doesn't show me like first, second, third, fourth.
it might be the phone version. Probably so. So the deal on this one is it's showing you with social distancing how it's exponential in the decrease of cases caused. So that's important. Just it goes to show you why social distancing is such a big deal, why they push it so hard, because with people out there, it's going to spread big time. And they just came out, y'all might have seen in the Lafayette paper, the several studies about New Orleans. They think, Mardi Gras is what probably got it out there, why New Orleans is so bad. And you didn't have to go to anything Mardi Gras. It's just if you were around somebody that went to Mardi Gras, or around somebody that was around somebody that went to Mardi Gras, you get it. So
yeah, I read that same article. I think I saw something like that.
It's today's advertiser.
Emily Guidry requested to be let in.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I've got to let her in. She's in our class.
Yeah. Let me see.
I think she's in already. She is.
Yeah, I think so. Because I got a little thing that pops up.
Oh, no, she's in.
I got a thing that pops up if somebody's waiting to come in. So I just didn't know if I'd be able to see that. That's why I said 5 minutes. Which government agency of the United States protects the health of Americans? Yes, CDC. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. I got 10 questions in this one, so we're about halfway done after this one. Aha. This one you really have to have your notes in front of you to get, or else you're just guessing. 1 in 4 chance, so get it. So this is a good example of why you need to have stuff written down.
I think I got it right.
I think I missed that lesson.
I think it's either triangle, diamond, circle, or square.
Mr. Dupuy.
I got it. I got it.
Let's go. You weren't there for the lesson yesterday. You said you were going to post it.
I did. It went up at noon today.
Okay.
Or 12:15 or so. It went up. So it's there. It's on Moodle. And it's a link to the YouTube video that I upload. So if you can't find it after this, just let me know. Okay. But I went and tested it, so it should be all right. All right. So, and I go over that, and I tell you our review again. It's like this. This is why you need to write down this list of parasitic diseases, this list of fungal diseases, bacterial, viral, and so forth, because questions like that are going to pop up.
How many questions are on the quiz?
20. You'll have 20 questions.
Awesome. All right.
30 minutes to do it, because I think it's reasonable to. It needs to be a time limit.
Oh yeah, this
type. We'll see. It may get shorter, but the first one I'll do 30 minutes.
Yeah, it makes sense. First time trying it, I get it.
Soap. Why is soap so effective? Washing hands.
Luke.
This is one that you should get if you were paying attention to the lesson yesterday.
I
know
was
some
too
people
quick to respond.
just posted.
Yeah, I went too quick.
Tragic.
Yep.
Yeah.
It breaks down the lipid membrane. You saw that picture of the virus. It's got a lipid membrane that surrounds it and encapsulates. In fact, that picture does a poor job. I wish it would say RNA or DNA in the middle, and it breaks that down. Gabe Reed. Hey,
Yeah.
Gabe in. Okay. Flattening the curve. And I did talk about this in the lesson that's up now. So even if you were there yesterday, I highly recommend going to that lesson I posted.
I think I got it right.
If you watch the news any, you should understand this.
A
Yep, pretty good. Number of new cases is less. Flatten the curve, less new cases. Hadn't happened yet in the US or Louisiana. That's what they're aiming to do. A prion disease.
Ooh, I think I know this one. I got this one wrong.
Yeah, me too. Tragic.
Caused by irregular proteins, yes. Prion's a crazy one. And I talk about, you don't need to know this for the quiz, but you've heard of mad cow disease, right?
Yeah.
That was caused by a prion.
I think actually a friend of mine, their grandmother had mad cow disease.
Yeah, I don't remember how many it transferred to in the human population. I don't think it really jumped that bad,
Yeah.
but it affected the cows bad.
Yeah.
Will cop have mad cow disease?
How do people get Kuru disease?
I don't think I remember this one.
Oh, it was on yesterday's lesson if you were there.
I was. I don't think I remember it though. Dang.
Once you learn this one, you probably won't forget it. Is this
Let's
tribe?
Oh, I actually got it right. Let's go.
That was a good guess, boys.
This tribe, this disease that came up, and it's just a long shot that people even went in there to investigate the disease, and they studied the culture and found out that was one of their practices. Some of them, as strange as it is. Okay, last question.
Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Oh no.
Mhm.
Oh. Yeah, I think it. Yeah.
Dang it.
Bacterial
Frank.
disease. It is bacterial, and that's a real nasty one too. It's very lethal, and it spreads very, very easily. Well, this is all new. This little dance thing.
I don't know if I like this update. I like the old
One
Kahoot.
question brought me down 3 places.
Who is that? Who's the first place person?
I think that's Gabe Reed.
Oh,
Even we'll see how people did on questions. It's a pretty
bonus
detailed.
points for top 3.
I
Nice
just
try.
stopped answering them.
Bonus points for coming here. Not bonus points, but bonus help for just coming here and seeing. I want to see that part. I want to see the questions that people had gotten. That's okay. All right, let's see. New share. Let's see. How does this work? Maybe like this. Still trying to figure out how to run this screen. All right, so what's everybody doing? Thursday is the new Friday. Y'all figured that out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a nice,
Oh, yeah.
nice Nice.
Thursday is a new Friday.
Yes.
Is that okay for me calling it day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay.
Perfect.
I'll have week
Yeah, I
1.
love that.
Okay. And when I do the assignments, if you've noticed where they're posted, so that way you see the first thing you see, and if somebody's missing something, it might make it easier to go back and figure out what it is.
Sure.
So that's it. What do y'all see on your screen right now? Y'all see my desktop?
Yes, sir.
What? Third-
Yes, sir.
Oh, see that.
I still see the Kahoot.
See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That's what I see the Kahoot.
Okay.
I see his face and the code.
Yeah, I was trying to see again some of these little settings on here. It's like I just want to go back to the regular screen. I just want to see that. There's not like a button that pops it up. No, I don't see it. But anyway, so this is a lively group today.
Oh yeah, we got a crowd today, Mr. Dupe.
Well, I told you all that after the first day. I said those numbers will drop off. I know not everybody can always make it doing other
Yeah,
things.
you know, it gets busy out there.
And I might just put at some point over the weekend. I might just decide to do it and say,
Oh yeah, I
about
think
an
a weekend
hour.
one would be great.
Sure.
Hey, what's up?
Let's do a little weekend meeting here.
I'd sub
Get
in.
together.
See,
Yeah,
I talked to
that's
the other science teachers and I asked them like if they were doing a lot of grading and stuff. Yeah, and just by the way, they want all the work for the purposes of your attendance to be done by whatever your teacher signs by 10 a.m. And so it
Yeah,
gives
it's
teachers
Friday.
4 hours. Yeah, tomorrow, 10 a.m. tomorrow. It gives your teacher 4 hours to kind of look at everything and then decide what the attendance should be. They give us a pretty clear-cut way. It's like if you're doing about everything, you get a certain mark. It's like a 3-rank scale. Did they tell y'all that?
Yeah, I think they told us that.
No,
Yeah.
they didn't tell me.
So they got those are doing most of their work, those are doing some of their work, and then those are doing hardly anything.
So if I
And
did all my work for this week already, I should be good on attendance.
you should be. Yes, you should be.
Lit.
All right.
You're gonna take off for attendance.
And there are people that I see like I haven't seen here. Some people I haven't seen here, but they're doing their work. Some people I even see here, but they're not doing their work.